Hi everyone, everything you're about to hear in this video is backed by experienced mechanics who are working right here in the shop with me, so relax. We're going to figure this out together. If you're driving your Honda Accord and suddenly see the message Supplemental Restraint System problem, the first thing that pops into your head is, great, the airbags are broken and this is going to cost a fortune. But take a breath. In most cases, it's not that serious. The car isn't dying, it's just saying, hey, something doesn't look right in the safety system. You might want to check this before it gets worse. To put it simply, this system controls the airbags, seatbelt pretensioners, and impact sensors. If one of those components sends an odd signal, the system goes into protection mode and triggers the warning. That doesn't automatically mean the airbags are bad. It usually means something isn't communicating properly. Now here's the part that surprises a lot of people. Most of the time, the issue isn't an expensive sensor or a bad module. It's something simple like a loose or dirty connector, especially under the seats. Yep, just moving the seat back and forth, moisture, dust, or even someone accidentally kicking the wiring can cause a bad connection and trigger the warning. A lot of mechanics here at the shop have fixed this just by cleaning and securing those connectors. Following that, another very common suspect is the passenger seat occupancy sensor. If the car can't correctly tell whether someone is sitting there or not, the system gets confused and throws the warning. This happens a lot on older Accords, and many times the fix is just recalibrating or replacing that sensor, not the entire system. Now, if you've checked the connectors and everything looks fine, the next thing to look at is battery voltage. A weak, aging, or unstable battery can make the SRS system act up. Many mechanics here have seen this warning appear right after a battery replacement, after the car sat for a long time, or when the battery was getting weak. Sometimes, installing a good battery and clearing the code is all it takes. And here's something important. Sometimes the problem isn't physical at all. It's electronic. The SRS module can store fault codes that regular scanners can't clear. That's why people get frustrated. They clear the code, turn the car off, and boom, it comes right back. In those cases, you need a more advanced scanner that can communicate directly with the airbag module. There are also situations where the warning appears due to environmental conditions, humidity, extreme heat, cold weather, or even after a minor bump with no visible damage. The system becomes extra sensitive and prefers to warn you rather than take a risk. So the key takeaway is this: don't panic. Most of the time, this warning doesn't mean a catastrophic failure. With proper inspection, a little patience, and the right diagnosis, your Honda Accord can be back to normal without draining your wallet.